Hey guys, Crypto Freak here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what's going on the Bitcoin chart. I get a little update. So I'm going to talk to you about where I think we can go. We have this upwards trending triangle, or what you guys call it, rising wedge, and a smaller falling wedge inside of this rising wedge. So where I think we could go is, well, bearish. But this is in the short term. In the long term, you can see that we did tap and hold support on the 50-day moving average. So this is really good for Bitcoin. And I'm going to talk to you about where I think we could go. So let's get into the video. So let's take it off on the 4-hourly time frame. You can see that we are in this rising wedge, and it's perfect time frame, perfect timing, because we have the MACD, stochasticRSi, and the RSI are all turning actually bearish. You can see the RSI is really high, stochasticRSi is turning to red on top, and the MACD is turning to red here, and this is also turning to red on top. So these mean that we should be falling soon. But you can see that we are in this rising wedge, and we actually came to it like this. You see that we keep bouncing around it, and right now we should bounce up. We could have a little bit rise, a little bit more rise, but I think we should fall. That's where the stochasticRSi should be going. Maybe that would mean that we would have like a little bit like stay above here, like what happened right here. You can see that we were stable for a little, but we should be falling. And so if we're gonna fall, then we could be falling out of this rising wedge. But this is in the short term, because you could see, remember what I just said, if we fall down to here, this could be like a retest of, how's it called, the 50-day moving average, which is at 10,300, and on the 4-hourly, you could see that 10,300 is actually on the VPVR a big support and resistance level. So we could be actually testing this level. So this is bad for Bitcoin, actually, that we're going to be retesting this level. And so, but the good news is that in the long term, you can see that if we're going to retest the 50-day moving average, if we confirm support, which we probably could, we probably could be going really high. And right now, by the looks of it, I think this is, what is this? So this is the 20-day moving average. There's the 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day. And you can see that we're above it again. So we fell down below it all the way here. And so right now we're all the way above it again. So this is really good for Bitcoin. Maybe we could test the 50-day again and then go above it. This might be like a rejection or something. But so far, as soon as we're above it, I'm bullish for Bitcoin. If we break below this, I will say we could be going for a retest of 10,300. But this is a rising wedge, and the stochasticRSi is actually right on top. But on the daily chart in the long term, you can see that it's still blue on top. So this is in the long term, I think we're going to be going up. So what I think will happen is that we're going to fall out of this rising wedge, test 10,300 or the 50-day moving average, however you call it, then break above the 20-day moving average and keep rising. Maybe we could like test the $12,000 again. That of course makes a check mark. And I don't know about you, but I think check marks are bullish. But this is what I think what Bitcoin will do. And so with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. See you guys next video. Bye!